Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Your go-to channel for all iPhones and iPad fixes. If your notifications stop working after iOS 18 update, you're not alone. Many users are facing this issue, but don't worry, we got some fixes to help you get back on track. Let's dive right in. First of all, you have to slide your control bar and you have to click on do not disturb. As you can see, do not disturb is on. You have to toggle it off. Make sure that do not disturb toggle should be off. After doing that, go back, go all the way back again, and then go to the setting. You have to click on settings. You have to go back in the settings section and scroll down, and here will be an option notification. You have to click on notifications. Once you have it, you have to make sure that apps should be all notifications on. As you can see, my apps are already allow notifications. Apps should be allow notifications. After doing that, after make sure that your apps are allowing notifications, you have done it. You have to go back, go all the way back, then you have to click on settings again, and you have to right back, and you have to find the notification again, and you have to click on that. As you can see, here is scheduled summary. You have to click on that and you have to get it on. Okay, once you have did it, you have to click on continue and go back. After doing all these steps, you will be able to fix your error of notification non working. If not, I will tell you the next way. You have to go to the settings again. No, sorry, you have to not go to settings again. You have to volume up, then volume down, and once again volume up, and you have to push the power button and volume button at the same time, and you have to restart your phone. Once you have restarted your phone, your problem will be fixed. And then make sure go and check that your problem notifications error has been fixed or not. If it is not, then here is a button. You have to make sure that this button is on. As you can see, here is a button. If it is on, it's okay. If it is not but on, it is off, and you have to make sure on. This button should be on. And after this, go back, go in the settings, go in the settings sections again, and you have to click on battery and make sure battery percentage on. Low power mode should be toggle on, and then go back again. And here you will see the setting options. You have to go back and then click on, you have to find the general and software update. You have to make sure that you are using an updated version of software. Just as you can see, I am using my updated version iOS 18. Okay, after doing all this, you will be able to fix your error notification not working. Thank you so much for watching this video.